Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Now in the last video, we showed you how to make this delicious Ghanaian jollof rice. However, to make this rice, we need the base of the rice, and that's the Ghanaian tomato stew. Now for you to make this stew, you need rich tomatoes, okay? And we're going to show you all the ingredients that you would need, and it's also listed on our website savorythoughts.com, and we have step-by-step photo guide to help you make this delicious stew perfectly. Trust me, it goes with every savory dish. So let's get started. Okay guys, so to begin, let's go ahead and add in our bell peppers, our tomatoes, and our onions in a blender. I definitely suggest that you use a high quality blender because you want the ingredients to be as fine as possible when blended. And also, if it's helpful for you to work in batches, please do so. And don't forget to add in the garlic. Once you're done, go ahead and cover it and blend it until liquefied. And if it so happens that you're having problems blending the ingredients, go ahead and add in about 2 tablespoons of water to help start the blending process. Once you're done, go ahead and continue with the next batch and set it aside. Next, add in the oil. I like to use a wooden spoon to test the heat level of the oil. If it starts to bubble around the wooden spoon, then that means your oil is ready to go. And for this, we are using 1 cup canola oil. Once heated through, go ahead and add in the blended mixture. Cover it and allow it to cook. This stew is being prepared over medium-high heat. But please be sure to reduce it or adjust the heat as necessary. And guys, when you're making Ghanaian tomato stew, I just wanted to let you know that it does splash a lot. So it's best to work quickly and also keep the lid nearby so you can continuously cover it. Cook the mixture for about 20 minutes, and 3 minutes before the 20 minutes are up, go ahead and add in your tomato paste. Cover with the lid, and again, you must continue to stir because you do not want the tomatoes to be stuck to the bottom of the pan. This will cause your stew to burn. And while stirring, go ahead and add in 1 cup of water to the blender. Stir it around and pour it into the tomato mixture. Continue to stir, then go ahead and add in the salt and pepper to taste, followed by the curry powder. And if you choose to do so, go ahead and add in the shrimp powder. Now this is completely optional, however, it does help to enhance the flavor of the stew. Guys, again, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com, and we're also sharing step-by-step photo guide to help you make this stew perfectly. Once you're done, go ahead and cover it and allow it to simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Your tomato stew is ready for you to make with your jollof rice or serve it as you please. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you find it to be helpful when you're preparing your dish. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any delicious videos. Cheers.